The UPC Party Parliamentary Committee has considered the recent media pronouncement made on 16th July 2026 by Honorable David Kabanda and Honorable Michael Mawanda, purporting to speak on behalf of the Patriotic League Uganda, the PLU, to remove the legitimate leadership of the Uganda People's Congress, the UPC, and impose other persons, including certain disgraced former support staff of the party, as leaders of UPC. This is against the party's constitution and the will of the UPC members. Following careful deliberation, the committee unanimously resolved as follows. 1. The UPC Party Parliamentary Committee reaffirms and recognizes Honorable Jimmy Akena as the legitimate and incumbent president of the Uganda People's Congress in accordance with Article 13 of the UPC Constitution. The committee further acknowledges his steadfast leadership and commitment to the party, including the guidance and support he provided to party structures and candidates during the last general elections. The committee categorically rejects and disassociates itself from the pronouncements made by the officials of the Patriotic League of Uganda, PLU, purporting to remove the legitimate leadership of UPC and impose other persons as leaders of the party. Such actions are unconstitutional, unlawful, and of no legal effect. Article 13 of the UPC Constitution and Section 10 of the Political Parties and Section 10 of the Political Parties and Organizations Act 2005 affirms the autonomy of political parties to organize and manage their internal affairs in accordance with their constitutions and the laws of Uganda. The committee further affirms that under Article 13 of the UPC Constitution, only the incumbent party president, that's Jimmy Akena currently, has got the constitutional mandate to convene a delegates conference for the purpose of electing party leadership. Consequently, any attempt to proclaim, to appoint, to impose, or install party leadership outside of the constitutional processes of the UPC is unconstitutional, invalid, and of no legal effect. No individual, pressure group, political association, or external organization has the authority to appoint or impose the leadership of the Uganda People's Congress Party. The affairs of the party shall be conducted solely in accordance with this constitution and the laws of Uganda. Accordingly, the UPC Parliamentary Caucus does not recognize and will not recognize any purported leadership imposed upon the party by a third party or by persons acting outside the constitutional framework of the party. We call upon all party members, supporters, well-wishers, and the general public to disregard such claims. We call upon all UPC members to remain united and to pursue any political aspirations or grievances through the lawful democratic mechanisms established under the UPC Constitution and the Political Parties and Organizations Act 2005. We further call upon all individuals, organizations, institutions, and all arms of government to respect the constitutional rights, the independence, the vision and mission of the Uganda People's Congress, just as UPC respects the autonomy and constitutional mandates of other constitutionally established